Hi everyone! I'm making sweet red bean paste. I know some people don't like sweet red bean paste, but I really miss Japanese sweets and I wanted to make it from scratch. So I've decided to do so. First, rinse the beans lightly to remove dirt. Put red beans in a pot and add a lot of water. You need that much water. Bring it to boil, and once it's boiled, add some cold water to lower the temperature. And bring it to boil again. Drain the beans. The skin is shrinked, but the bean itself is not soft yet. Still hard, but that's okay. That's the first step. So let's move on to the second step. Put beans in a pot, pour a lot of water, and bring it to boil. And this time, once it's boiled, you see a lot of foams. So skim off the scum as much as possible. When beans are showing off to the surface, it's time to add some cold water. So you skim off and add some cold water, skim off and add some cold water. You do this process 3 or 4 times, and after that, finally drain them again. And this is the final step. Now you see the color of the liquid. It's clear. So once it's boiled, lower the heat and simmer the beans for about 30 to 40 minutes until they get softened. So the bean is very fluffy. And if you can mash it, that means your beans are ready. That's good. Looks very nice. It took me actually a few hours. But that's okay. It was fun. So now it's time to make粒あんand koshiあん. So like chunky red bean paste and smooth red bean paste. Making粒あんis a little simpler, but I made both. So first I divided the beans into half. So I put the half of them back into a pot and added some water and covered with paper towel. simmer until they absorb most of the water. So take off the paper towel and add sugar finally. Bring it to boil and keep stirring. You can actually stir it occasionally, but I was a little bit worried about burning, so I was standing and kept stirring. Now I can kinda draw a line, but not yet, so I kept stirring. So now I can draw a line clearly. That means粒あん is ready. Okay, now it's time to make こしあん. So you need a strainer and a bowl. Pour some water in the bowl, and you're going to simply mash beans. I actually liked this part. You can actually use a food processor or a blender. You might mix the skin too, but later on you can anyways discard it. But I prefer this old-fashioned way. You have a shifter and you're gonna sieve it in order to get a smoother paste. Ta-da! Now prepare a dish towel and a container and pour the paste, including water. So pour everything. And you're going to squeeze it. This part was kind of enjoyable. It was like playing at the beach, playing with sand, something like that. Now, put the paste in a pot and half of the paste in a pot and add maybe a quarter cup of water in it. And once it's melted, you add the rest of the paste. Also, you can add sugar at this point. I actually added a little bit more water, so it was too much, so it took time. Simmering and stir occasionally, and the paste itself would get thicker. Just be patient. Now it's almost ready. You see, like that, you can draw a line. It's time to add a pinch of salt. I forgot to add and I sprinkled after I finished, but you should add it by now. That was it. So let them cool and put them in a refrigerator. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is informative and also help you make red bean paste successfully. Oh, next video will be making strawberry rice cake.